Ate Dina Guillermo, thank God you were being kicked out by CDIFI. Oh, you should not talk about politics. At least I told to Escal Penumbra's mother, Annabel Peñarubia, you need to reprimand your son, Escal Penumbra, not to join a protest against Donald Trump. So, perhaps, if you don't want tension between Iran and US, we need to be peacefully. We need to be diplomacy. Oh, Donald Trump is open to diplomacy. If I were you, Escal Penumbra, why can't you just move on? And don't talk about politics. I talked to Joyce Patrick Opesha. I say to him, i-unfriend mo na yan si Dan Mardayaw. Puro politics. We do not want to talk about politics. Either about Cedric or Cedric Mariano is non-political. He's just like Teacher Gio Malana. He's just like Teacher Gio Malana. He is non-political. Teacher Vincent Ramos. He's non-political. When I heard Teacher Vincent Ramos, he never talk about politics. That's good to hear. We never want to talk about politics. Thank you, J. Rick Silva, ha? And Denzel Joshua for advising them. For you, Ate Dina Guillermo, when you're being kicked out in CDIFI, when you were being expulsion as a teacher aide, don't talk too much politics. You don't even know the politics is causing you trouble and cyberbullying. If I just saying to you, Ate Dina Guillermo, I just want to apologize to Teacher Kela that I accuses your husband, Escal Penumbra. At least if you're a wife of Escal Penumbra, you need to reprimand him. I do not want to talk too much politics, Ate Dina Guillermo. If you love Bongbong Marcos, go ahead. Go to the Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. As we hear, we have Duterte supporters. Like for us, Ate Dina Guillermo, if you say Teacher Gio Malana is non-political, he's not politicalizing against Sara Duterte. He's not politicalizing against Donald Trump. All he has to do, he has to be non-political, neutral. We have to be neutral. Alright? We have to be non-political. This is hard to say, Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog. You cannot know about how to be non-political. Can we just retard about politics? Roylan Marlang doesn't like politics too. We didn't know that you're talking about politics. What about Luis Cabales? Ate Dina Guillermo. He's a non-political. He doesn't talk too much politics. When I say to Luis Cabales, dapat mag non-political tayo, like I said. If the Catholic Church is non-political, Shia Islam and Sunni Islam are non-political, Jewish Orthodox non-political, even the Santa Maria de la Estrada non-political, even the Quiapo Mosque and Islam in the Philippines non-political. We have to be non-political. We do not talk too much politics. You love Bongbong Marcos. Why do you even say you love politics? If I were you, Ate Dina Guillermo, do not talk about politics. Don't talk about political motivation. Look at Roylan Marlang. He said to me, he doesn't like politics. Roylan is non-political. And even the others who were non-political. Can we just be a non-political too? You know, Dan Mardayaw, can you just stop politicalize Rodelio Daguman? Can we just be a non-political? Oh, we have to be non-political. Thank God, there's Denzel Joshua there. If he was there, pag nandoon si Denzel Joshua, magpasalamat kayo. Like I said, you know, he's really advising to you to stop making politics. We do not like politics. For me, for example, when I talk with J. Rick Silva about the Batang Quiapo, Coco Martin, we have to be non-political. Oh, Escal Penumbra, if you watch Hollywood movies, like for example, who's the Hollywood star? Oh, Matt Damon. Oh, Ben Affleck. Because I know Ben Affleck and Matt Damon are non-political. Because like I said, some of directors, like the movies like Peter Berg, Mark Wahlberg, and even Taylor Sheridan, they want to make Call of Duty movie. They don't want to talk too much politics about against Donald Trump because they have to be non-political. Oh, for example, if you watch a TV show of Coco Martin, Sigabo, oh, Coco Martin says, let's focus about let's focus about action stars. Oh, we have to be non-political. Whenever you say, oh, if there's Avengers Civil War in Marvel, Samuel Jackson says, if you should not talk about against Donald Trump. If we want to focus in the movie in Hollywood, we have to be non-political. Oh, you don't know what I'm saying to both of you, Dan Mardayaw and Eskel Penumbra and Ate Dina Guillermo. Always to say you talk about politics. What's the purpose you talk about politics? SCDIFI is a non-political. Miss Earth Carousel Production is a non-political too. Oh. Any religions like Shia, Sunni Islam, non-political. Oh. We have to be non-political. Alright? Because I'm just gonna say to you, we have to be non-political. Look at my friend Bill Galang. He's not talking about politics. Oh. Yeah, he's non-political. He's neutral. Like you, Eskel Penumbra, Dan Mardayaw, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Alexandra Pagkalinawan do not talk about too much politics. That's why I've been talking with Roylan Marlang. He said to me, wag kayo puro politika. O, nakakaumay na, like I said. We should not talk about politics. Roylan is a non-political. Me, I'm non-political too. Can we just be a non-partisan? I say to Dan Mardayaw. Thank God there's Miggy Labitag when he said to me, oh, can you just tell him to shut him up? Oh, why Miggy Labitag criticize Dan Mardayaw? Always talking about politics. Oh, we have to stay neutral. If there's an issue between Sara Duterte and Bongbong Marcos because of their confrontation and the conflict between the two families, then we have to be neutral.